Household scissors are the unsung heroes of our everyday lives, always ready to spring into action when we need them most. Imagine them as the versatile multitaskers of your home, equipped with the power to slice through almost anything. Need to cut wrapping paper for a last-minute gift? These trusty scissors glide through it like a hot knife through butter. Have a tangled mess of tags and plastic packaging? Snip, snip, and you're free from the chaos. Crafting an art project or trimming a loose thread on your favorite shirt? Your household scissors are there to save the day with precision and ease. These scissors are like the Swiss Army knives of the cutting world, with ergonomic handles that fit comfortably in your hand, ensuring you can wield them for long periods without discomfort. Their sharp blades, often made from stainless steel, promise longevity and strength, staying sharp cut after cut. But they aren't just about practicality, they have a playful side too. Think of them as your creative sidekick, ready to help you transform a piece of plain paper into a snowflake or a boring afternoon into a fun-filled craft session. They're there for spontaneous moments of creativity, turning your wild ideas into tangible creations. In essence, household scissors are the go-to tool for countless tasks, big and small. They're reliable, versatile, and always within reach, making them an indispensable part of any home. So next time you pick up your trusty scissors, remember to give them a little nod of appreciation for all the ways they make life just a bit easier and a lot more fun.